Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate all your support. Please like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. I'd really appreciate it. And consider joining the channel for membership so you can get access to behind the scene clips that I post for members only. All right, on to this video. So there's this whole thing going on right now with the Whopper, a big debate about whether or not it's big enough or if it's as advertised. I'm gonna make a Whopper for you today the way I think it should be done. It's gonna be my way, right away. We're gonna do a triple Whopper with cheese, and we're gonna do sort of a semi-copycat thing, but we're gonna do a SmashBurger style. And whenever I do SmashBurgers, I use the best smasher that I have, the best smasher that I've ever bought and the best smasher that I've ever used, the Sasquash. I've got all my ingredients ready, so without any further ado, I'll go through all that as we go. Let's get started. My griddle here has been preheating on medium-high, and I have all 4 burners on medium-high right now. So let's go ahead and get a little bit of oil down. Spread that out with our spatula. I got the closest bun I could find to a Whopper bun at a store without actually going to Burger King and trying to get a bun. So we're going to start by just giving this a quick toast. Perfect. Now we got 3 quarter-pound meatballs going down. I like to let these go maybe about 10 to 15 seconds, and then we smash them down. Piece of parchment paper in between, and then the Sasquash. Hold down each one for 10 seconds. Number 1. And I'll pat down the edges of each one. Beautiful. Next. You really got to put some muscle into this. There we go. A little salt and pepper on each. And these are already ready to flip. I like to reverse the spatula like this, just to get it off the bottom. Then underneath, flip. Beautiful crust. Underneath, flip. Slice of American cheese on each patty. And we'll give each one a quick melt. Just about 5, maybe 10 seconds each. And you can basically turn your griddle off at this point. Beautiful. And we are now ready to build this Whopper. I'm going over the top for this. Let's do it. That was dumb. Patty 1. And look at these beautiful edges. Patty 2. Gorgeous. Patty 3. Now the way the Whopper is built is we start by adding just a few pickle slices here. 3 to 4 is what they use, and I've got 5 here. I like pickles a little more, and it's my way. Now we squeeze ketchup over the pickles. Add a few slices of white onion. And this is how Burger King's onions are too, where they're not perfect circles. They kind of hang off the burger and whack you in the mouth when you bite. Now a couple slices of tomato. I can't get over these edges. Just look, this is perfect SmashBurger presentation. Now we have just a little bit of lettuce going on top. Now some mayo on that top bun. And crown. Look at that. Gorgeous. Look at that. All right. Thank you, Sasquash. Thank you, everybody, for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, all that stuff. Ready? Cheers, everyone. Now, that's a Whopper. Would you like more? Yes, I would. All right. That's it. Take care. Till next time, I'll see you on the next episode.